How to create ads account on Facebook Business Manager. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial we'll be discussing about creating ads account on Facebook Business Manager. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and type in business.facebook.com and hit enter. After that, log into your specific account and then try to create or select a business if you don't have a business yet. So tap on create business and create a new business for yourself. After that, enter your business name, your email address and other details and click on submit. If you already have one, select it from the dashboard. Now you need to go to business settings. Click on the gear icon settings in the left side bar, and in the business info page, go to account, and there you will see the option of add account, which is between the pages and business asset groups. Tap on it. Now click on add in the top right corner of the screen. For example, creating a new ad account, adding an existing ad account, or requesting access to an ad account in another business portfolio. Tap on create a new ad account and now enter your ad account name, your time zone, select the time zone and currency. Choose whether it's for your business or another business or client. Now check this box to agree to the terms and conditions. And finally, tap on create ad account. Next, you need to assign roles to the people, yourself or your team, and then add a payment info. Tap on add payment info. Select your country, your currency, your time zone. Then add a debit or credit card or PayPal or any form of payment method that you prefer. And you're done. Your ad account is now ready. Now you can start creating campaigns for Meta Ads Manager. So that's it for a video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.